What is up everybody, I got this in a while and I thought why not to unbox this thing in front of the camera. So I am here and giving you the look of the box. Here it says wireless earphones. They are wireless earphones. It says dynamic bass. What does this mean? I don't know. Here are some of the features. Lightweight design, built-in mic, media. What? Media shortcuts. Alright, I think this thing is talking about this thing. So it says here 10mm driver. I don't know what this means, but anyways, we are diving inside. So first of all, I was a little bit confused that how to wear this thing in the ears, but thanks to this point here, it says behind the neck tangle free flat cable. So now I'm sure they will go behind the neck. So bringing the knife and making them unseal. So here we did it. Let me get this thing out. Alright, so now they are outside. I think camera is not doing justice. Alright, this is the pouch, which is kind of a nice touch in the unboxing experience. Nice, I appreciate this thing, hype. Then here are the real deal. This thing comes out. Nothing else in the box, so we are gonna throw this thing away. Here are the headphones. They look dope. The color, the golden color, is impressive. So first of all, let me give you a physical overview of these things. I know the camera is not doing focus. Why is that? Right, so these are the microphones. This is the play button, this plus minus the volume levels. Here is the charging point. So imagine how tiny will be the battery. Let's find out that in the box. The battery is 60 milliamperes. 60. So there are wires coming out from the two ways. This one is right and this one is left, so they are meant to be go like this in your ears. I'm also gonna make a video review on this earphones on the channel, so that is coming pretty soon. Right here we got the extra earbuds. This one is the medium, the smaller, and the larger one. But what is that? I don't know what is this, but I'll figure it out anyways. Now having a look at this pouch, which really impressed me. Let's unwrap it. What is inside? So here is the charging cable. I suppose that your regular phone charger will charge this, so no charging cables in the box, but they are here. So thanks, hype. And here is the user manual, who no one reads. So throwing this thing off, and yes, here it is. This is quite nice. And this was the unboxing. And I know there was nothing so interesting, but I gotta make some videos for my channel. Peace.